We're diving into the exhilarating realm of gaming smartphones with the Nubia Neo 2 5G. Join me in this unboxing and initial impressions as we explore the features, design, and gaming prowess of this affordable powerhouse. Delivered at an astonishing price point of approximately 4,000 Mexican pesos from Mercado Libre, the Nubia Neo 2 5G promises an immersive gaming experience without breaking the bank. Upon unboxing, the packaging immediately sets the tone with its gamer-centric design, adorned with control-like buttons and the tagline "Better Gaming for All," hinting at the excitement within. Inside the box, we find a comprehensive set of accessories, including manuals, a Nubia VIP card for direct support, and a rigid protective case. Noteworthy additions are the USB Type-C to Type-C cable, promising lightning-fast data transfer, and a 33W charger, offering quick and efficient charging capabilities. The Nubia Neo 2 5G stands out with its vibrant gamer-inspired design, available in striking colors like yellow and gray, sporting distinctive features like red accented power button and dual air triggers on one side. It exudes a premium gaming aesthetic. Its rear panel, reminiscent of an eye, houses a dual-camera setup with an LED flash, embodying the device's gaming persona. Equipped with a Unisoc T820 processor, the device strikes a balance between performance and affordability, offering ample power for gaming. With up to 8 GB of RAM, expandable to 12 GB, and 256 GB of storage, users can expect smooth multitasking and ample space for games and media. The 5,300 mAh battery, coupled with 33W fast charging, ensures extended gaming sessions without interruptions, though alternate variants offer up to 6,000 mAh capacity. Display and gaming features. The device boasts a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering fluid visuals and immersive gaming experiences. Despite not featuring an AMOLED panel, the display impresses with its responsiveness and clarity, ideal for gaming and multimedia consumption. Gaming-centric features like customizable air triggers and the GameSpace 2.0 app enhance gameplay, allowing users to optimize performance and tailor their gaming experience. Camera and multimedia. While gaming takes center stage, the Nubia Neo 2 5G doesn't compromise on camera capabilities, featuring a 50MP primary sensor alongside a 2MP secondary lens, with a 16MP front camera. Though photography may not be its primary focus, the device delivers decent results for casual shooting and video calls. With stereo speakers delivering immersive audio, coupled with the vibrant display, users can indulge in a cinematic multimedia experience. The Nubia Neo 2 5G emerges as a compelling option for budget-conscious gamers, offering a blend of performance, design, and gaming-centric features at an affordable price point. Whether you're diving into intense gaming sessions or enjoying multimedia content on the go, this device promises to elevate your experience without breaking the bank. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into its gaming capabilities and explore its performance across various titles. Until then, game on! If you found this unboxing and overview helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comments below. Until next time.